Now we are going to study application of equal area criteria case 3. Now case 3 is sudden short circuit at one end of the transmission line and the line is removed after few cycle. So this is the different case than one. In the case 1, sudden short circuit was occurred at any end of the transmission line and the system was regained at that point, but here the line is not regained. This time that line is removed. So now we are going to consider three cases: pre-fault, during fault and post-fault. So during pre-fault condition, at pre-fault condition, now I am going to write all the value. Pre-fault condition PE1, we can write P max 1 lit means Vs into VAR upon xt plus x by 2, xt plus x by 2 sine of delta. And during, this is the pre-fault condition. Now what will happen after the fault? During the fault, PE become 0, PE2 become 0, and after the fault, the value of PE3 will be written as Vs into VR upon xg plus x this time and sine of delta. So we can see from here that clearly, if you will draw the diagram, we have to see very carefully this diagram because this diagram is very important. So when we are drawing the P delta diagram, if this is P and this is delta, so what we can see from here that, let us assume this is P initial, this is P is equal to P max 1 sine delta, P is equal to P max 1 sine delta, and this value is initial power transfer, that is PM naught is equal to PE naught. This is PM naught is equal to PE naught, and this was operating at any angle delta naught, and this value was P max. Now what is happening? This was the scene of before fault. Now during fault, all the power of transfer will be 0, but the after fault, this PE3 value this, and we know that P max 1 is greater than P max 3 clearly. So we can draw a diagram like this. I'm drawing with yellow pen, so we can draw like this, same to same. So now what happened when the fault occurs? When the fault occurs, basically this PE value reduces to 0, and the delta value start increasing, as I have discussed. The delta value start increasing, and now at point it will be, the line is removed. If it would have been regained, then this would be coming on the blue line, means original state, but the line is removed, means this will go to the yellow line, means after case. So this will be like this, I'm drawing. So it means if this is the value of, now in case of del max value will be here, and if they are taking a critical condition, it is not necessary that this will be going to del max. It can come to here, it can come to here, but I am taking the critical case to find out. Let us assume if we have been asked the critical angle or del max case. So if this is del CR del max, so now we can calculate the value of del CR with the help of the given formula by equal area criteria. So now I'm writing the formula. This del naught to del CR, what I'm writing is, this is the whole area, because the PE value has been written 0, so PM minus 0 d delta is equal to del CR to del max. Now P max 3, basically P max 3 sine delta minus PM d delta. So this is how we can calculate